So this is what we woke up to after the snowstorm yesterday. Yesterday's high was 11, last night was -1. Today's temperature is supposed to be 17 with 5 degrees tonight. And we got more snow coming Wednesday and Thursday. Drifted up pretty good in some spots out here. Been leaving my water running. Getting down this cold. If you don't, you will have froze pipes. See, this push mower is just about covered. That's drifted up about 3 feet right there. I got out there and stood it yesterday. Got snow started packing inside the windows yesterday. It's going to melt some today, not much. That's fairly deep right there too. But like I said, if we got more coming, we'll crank the car up. Make sure the battery stays charged up. Clean the snow out in front of it. Like I said, we got more coming. Let's see what it looks like down here down the road. It's one of the kids ain't been down here a four-wheeler having a ball on this stuff. Garbage hasn't run in the week. It don't look like mail's gonna be running either. It's just a small video to show what we got. We hadn't had snow like this probably in 10 years or more. Kind of brings out the youth inside of you again.